password of your Instagram account can be reset, and also your old account can be recovered easily with the help of just an email address. Want to learn how to do it? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Tutorials Point. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. Today, I'll be using Chrome. You can use a suitable browser of your choice. For that, tap on Chrome, tap on the search type web address, enter here instagram.com. This will take you to the official website of an Instagram. Since we are trying to reset the password of our Instagram with the help of an email address, first of all, tap on forgot password. Tap on this email, phone or username and enter here your email address just like this, and then tap on send login link below. As you do it, you need to follow this step so that you need to confirm that it's you who's trying to log in and you're not a robot. Tap on the square box in front of I'm not a robot and then tap on next below. You can see that they have just sent an email to our email address. We need to go to our email address and check it for getting a reset link. I'm onto the home page of my email address, and on the top I do have a notification from an Instagram. I'm going to tap on it. You can do the same, and just below you can see that reset your Instagram password. Tap on reset your Instagram password. Now you have an option of creating a new password and then confirming the new password once again. Tap on new password and create a new one. Tap on new password confirmation below and enter your new password once again. When you're done doing both, scroll down and tap on reset password below. So you can see that just by doing it, you have successfully reset the password of your Instagram account with the help of just an email address. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.